Hi there, hi everybody, good afternoon. This is Liz Davis. I'm a nutritionist and I specialise in digestive health for busy women. So I help busy women fix their IBS, their bloating, painful digestion, any kind of related hormone issues, chronic fatigue, etc. I do this with state-of-the-art gut testing normally, sometimes hormone testing as well, and dietary and lifestyle upgrades to really help you get yourself back to feeling how you should be again and out enjoying life. So today I was just going to do a quick rundown all about detoxing and cleansing. Do you need special products to do it? And 4 quick tips at the end so you can really help your body to start to cleanse, detox itself properly. So hang on and listen to that one. So basically you could be forgiven for thinking that in order to detox and cleanse properly, you need to have special products, you need to have special juices or supplements, superfoods, etc. But this actually isn't true, because it kind of suggests that your body isn't already doing all those detoxification processes anyway by itself. So it's constantly, your body is constantly clearing itself out. It's constantly detoxing. It's constantly performing these complicated reactions in order to get toxic substances out of your body, anything it doesn't need out of your body, particularly with as far as your liver is concerned. So your liver is it's a very, very busy organ. It's continually working to cleanse your body of anything it doesn't need. So for example, residue from pharmaceutical drugs, etc. It's going to create these very complex enzyme reactions to turn toxins into substances that can be safely excreted from your body. So that's just one example. Other examples are, for example, your skin is constantly pushing toxins out when it sweats. Your lungs are constantly pushing toxins out through the respiration process, so with carbon dioxide and so on. Your kidneys are filtering your blood and producing urine, and your gut is forever, extracting nutrients from your food and then excreting the waste. So all these are examples as well of additional ways that your body is cleansing. So although you don't need any fancy products as such, you do need to make sure that you're helping your body to do this cleansing process as effectively as it possibly can. So what that's going to involve basically is not putting in too much of what it doesn't want and that it has to get rid of, and then really maximizing what it does want, what it does need to get itself working effectively. So while it's not just all about diet, and it's not just all about juice cleanses or fancy supplements and things like that, it's not all about what you're eating and what you're consuming. There are other things to take into consideration as well. Things like making sure that you're getting adequate sleep, that you're not stressed, because stress can also exacerbate any problems you're having with detoxification. Making sure you're exercising regularly, and that you're not eating a diet high in processed foods. So there's lots of lifestyle factors to consider as well. So all these things will be converging and determining how well or how ineffectively you're detoxing. Okay, so here are 4 things then that you can start doing right now to help your body detox more effectively. So firstly, if you're having lots of fizzy drinks, I would start to replace those. You can use things like fizzy mineral water, herbal teas and filtered water, etc. So minimize the fizzy drinks and maximize drinks that are not fizzy, because that's going to reduce the amount of toxins your body's got to get rid of while maximizing what it needs to get rid of toxins, so i.e. lots of nice fluids that your body actually needs. Number 2, I would be reducing or eliminating sugary foods, because sugar brings nothing to help the process of detoxification at all. It's just hindering the process, because your body is taking an awful lot of energy to break it down, but then it's not bringing anything to help with your health at all. So completely reduce it, or if possible eliminate any kind of added sugar, that kind of thing, from chocolate bars, sweets, biscuits, all those things. Number 3, I would be cutting out processed foods, ready meals, anything with any kind of additives in it, preservatives and so on. Get used to not having snacks all the time, so convenience food snacks, etc., to keep you going. So that's number 3. Number 4, while you're doing that, make sure that while you're reducing your convenience food, you're really maximizing your intake of nutritious foods, fruits, vegetables, etc. So with that process, you're again eliminating too much of what your body doesn't need and maximizing what it does need to get those processes carried out properly. So if you start reducing your producing or cooking your food from scratch, that's going to really help you. That's one big thing you can do, because you know exactly what's going into your food, and there's no kind of nasties or preservatives or what have you. Okay, so I hope you found that useful. If you would like to speak to me, do use the link below to book into my diary for a quick chat. We can talk about testing and nutrition support, etc., to try and address the issue that you're facing. And there's also some recipes there that you can download. Okay, I hope you found that useful. If you did, do like and share, and I shall see you next time. Okay, bye.